Recently, the media began attacking Family Research Council for opposing the president's health care plan.
There's nothing in any of the bills about abortion. That's a highly theoretical fear, which of course the Research Council is stoking.
Planned Parenthood President Cecil Richards said, "The Family Research Council has never been known to let the facts get in the way of good, old-fashioned hysteria." Even the president couldn't resist joining the chorus.
There are some folks out there who are, frankly, bearing false witness.
Why did they single out Family Research Council? Early in the spring, as the president's health care plan was taking shape, Family Research Council and FRC Action were already sounding the alarm on Capitol Hill over the threat of taxpayer-funded abortion in Mr. Obama's health care plan. At first, the White House refused to acknowledge the abortion funding scheme, thinking their plan was unstoppable. Family Research Council pressed forward, spreading the word to our friends on Capitol Hill. FRC also alerted friends on the web through Facebook, Twitter, alerts, and webcasts.
Keep it up.
After a meeting with FRC, Senator Orrin Hatch directly challenged Liberal Senator Barbara Mikulski. FRC Action took to the airways with ads pointing out that the American people will be forced to pay for abortions.
They won't pay for my surgery, but we're forced to pay for abortions.
Tony Perkins.
The media quickly took notice.
Republican senators echoing claims from the Family Research Council, the premier Christian right lobbying firm in Washington, that this plan will force American taxpayers to finance abortion.
FRC refused to back down and responded with 2 webcasts educating 150,000 grassroots activists.
If there's that much fraud in one government program, why would they create another one?
To educate churches across the country, FRC distributed electronic town hall kits. The truth finally began to take hold. FactCheck.org said the president was stretching the truth. The Associated Press said government insurance would allow coverage for abortion. Even the president's allies began to admit the truth.
Are all the bills clear on that now? Not yet.
But even after all this proof, the president still refused to acknowledge the truth.
Under our plan, no federal dollars will be used to fund abortions.
Those words were demonstrably false and extraordinarily misleading.
I think the president needs to go back to what we taught kids back in Sunday school about be careful, little eyes, what you see, and be careful, little tongue, what you speak.
With your help, Family Research Council will continue to represent your family in Washington, D.C.